Welcome to Tafabot. Here, you can start earning passive income through automated crypto trading. It's 100% hands-free and requires zero experience on your part. More so, with Tafabot, you don't send your funds to anyone. Your money stays securely with you while your bot makes you daily profit on it. Here is how to get started with just a few simple steps. Step 1. Download Tafabot and sign up with your email address. If you were invited by a friend, request and use their invite code to be part of a larger community. Step 2. Choose your preferred license and secure it by making the required USDT deposit to your Tafabot wallet. Then, head to the menu on the top right corner of the homepage and click on the Buy/Upgrade Your License button. Select your preferred license and hit Activate. It's that simple. Remember to allocate some funds to your fuel balance to power your trades. Step 3. Create a Binance Connect account right inside your Tafabot app. It's easy to do. Click the plus sign on the homepage, select Binance Connect, and follow the prompts to create a new Binance account. Do a KYC to verify your account. Now that you have a new Binance account, deposit your trading capital to your Binance wallet. Step 4. Create your automated bot to manage your trades 100% hands-free. Simply click on Automated Bot here on the home page. Next, select Get Started and assign capital to your bot. Take advantage of the auto-compounding feature for reinvesting profits. Next, select your preferred market, spot or futures, and then the maximum number of trades for your bot. Tafabot recommends 3 trades for safety and consistency. Now it's time to bind your settings to your Binance account. Select Binance and click on Binance Connect API. Finally, review your bot setup and click on Create Bot. Turn your bot on, and you're all set. Now, sit back, relax, or even go to sleep. Your bot will take care of the rest, bringing in those profits every day, week in, week out. Right away, head to your Telegram and search our Tafabot to join our community for more support and answers to your questions. Get started today.